Number 248, if each side of a square is decreased by 5 centimeters, its area will decrease by 175 square centimeters. Find the side of the original square in centimeters. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. The choices are 20, 25, 18, 25, and 15. Okay, so let us draw the figure. So this will be the original. This will be the original square. Okay, original square. So let the side be x. Okay, since it is square, so therefore all the sides are x. And the area, the formula for area of square is the side square. So therefore the area of this original is x squared. Okay, and then let's apply the condition. If each side of a square is decreased by 5 centimeters. So from this, the original, this will be the new dimension of the square. The side decreased by 5. So this will be the new side. The new side is x minus 5. All the sides of the square will be x minus 5. Okay? And then the area of this new square, the decreased square, is equal to, just multiply the side. So we have x minus 5 squared. Okay? And then according to the problem, its area, the area of the new square, will decrease by 175 square centimeters. The area of the original x squared, will decrease by 175. So therefore, from x squared, it will become x squared minus 175, which is equal to the area of this new square. So the formula is this x minus 5 squared, that is equal to the area of the original x squared, then minus 175. So the question is find the side. Find the side of the original square in centimeters. So let's just solve the value of x of this equation. Okay, so let us solve this. So let's expand this x minus 5 square. So let's just multiply. If we multiply that, we have x minus 5 and then times another x minus 5. So let's distribute x. X times x, we have x squared. X times negative 5, we have negative 5x. And then distribute negative 5. Negative 5 times x, we have negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 5, we have positive 25. So the answer will be x squared, negative 5x minus 5x. So we have negative 10x and then just bring down 25. So therefore, if we expand this, so we have x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals the right side. Just copy x squared minus 175. And then just solve for x. We both have x squared in the right side and left side and right side. So if we subtract x squared to both sides, this will cancel out. And then solve for x. So put positive 25 to the other side by subtracting 25 to both sides. So this will cancel out. We have negative 10x is equal to, add this negative 175 minus 25, that will be negative 200. And then last step, solve for x, divide both sides by negative 10. And then we know that negative divided by negative, that is equal to positive. And then just cancel the 0, 200 divided by 10. So just cancel 1 0 and then cancel the 10 in the denominator. Therefore, the answer is positive 20 or simply 20. So the answer is letter A, 20. Okay, so let us check. If the side is 20, the area of this original square is 20 times 20. That is equal to 400 square centimeters. And let's get the area of this reduced square. From 20, it will become 15. So the area of this 15 times 15, that is equal to 225. Okay, so let us compare. Its area will decrease by 175. 400 minus 175, that is equal to 225. Okay, so therefore the condition is satisfied. So the correct answer is letter A, 20. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subject. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.